Amazon product hunting, research, and evaluation was not this much easy before. We have automated the complete product evaluation process. If you have not watched the video, you can watch it by clicking in the top right corner. But still there were some preliminary steps that were manual and time consuming, like selection of competitors, downloading of multiple files. Competitor selection was intelligently automated some days ago. The selection process is very flexible, data-driven and error-free. Today's video is about automation of data downloading. For product evaluation, we need to download 25 files. We have to copy the asin, paste it, search it, wait for data loading, then we download this data. The good news is downloading of 23 files is automated now. Yes, the whole process is automated to save your time. Now let's see the process. Open input parameters Excel file. Paste essence of your top 10 competitors. Paste your main keyword. Select market. Open your Chrome browser in which Helium 10 is logged on. Copy your Helium 10 ID and paste it here. Run the program. Select input parameters file. Now your part is end. Let it work. The data will be nicely downloaded in some minutes. When you will run the program very first time, Chrome will block the downloading and will show a pop-up where you can enable multiple files download to avoid errors. Note mouse position. It will be fixed until process completion. I'm increasing video speed here. The process is complete. Let's see the result. Let's move the data to desired folder. 10 pictures have been downloaded and renamed to asin.jpg. Here 3 files have same asin. The file with the largest size is our Cerebro file. Rename it to Cerebro. Rename second file to Amazon recommended. Now we have our 10 competitors file. Rename file containing magnet in its name to magnet. There is a bonus feature. Open input parameters file, go to file checker sheet, press green button. It shows the download requirements and availability of files. We can check either all required data files are present or not. Out of 25 required files, 23 are downloaded and are present in the folder as shown with the green color. Helium 10 extra file is not included in the automated process because we download it before competitors selection. Keep a file is a single file. Most of the tool providers change their login credentials of Keepa frequently, so it is better to download it manually. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy the process. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any query, comment down below. If you want to get the tool, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching the video.